Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I will tell you how you can secure and protect your file by applying password to it. Okay, so I show you one example. Like I have this PPT and when I am trying to open it, it is asking for password, and when I am entering the right password, it is opening. Okay, so let's start. Open any existing document, or you can also create a new. And now go to the File tab and select the Save As option. After this, browse your location, like I am saving it on desktop, named as sample2. And now friends, you can see one tool option here. Just click on it, and here select the general option. Now after this, give your password here, like I am giving 1234, and click on OK. And you have to re-enter your password here, and again click on OK, and now save. So friends, you can see here one more file is created named as sample2, and when I am trying to open it, it is also asking for password, and when I am entering the right password, that is 1234, it is opening. So in this way you can apply password to any of the file. File can be of a Word document, Excel sheet, and the PPT. So like I show you one more example of Excel. Open the document, go to the File tab and select the Save As option. Browse your location, name your file, and select the Tools option, and select the General option, and enter your password here, like I am again giving 1234, and OK, and re-enter your password 1234, enter, and click on Save. So now one more Excel sheet is created, and again when I am opening it, it is asking for password, and when I am entering the right password, it is opening. So friends, if you really like my video, so please give me a thumb, and if you are having any issues and doubts, drop them in the comment box and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.